Today I'm going to show you how to add an image to a form in Indition Forms. There are two different ways of doing this. We can add an image to the form itself to be used in all designs of the form, or we can add an image to an individual design. And I'll show you both methods. So you can create a new form here from the dashboard, or you can go to an existing form via Manage My Forms. And I already have an existing form, so I'll go there. Select the form you want to edit. You'll see this form already has an image. I'll just delete that. And on the left-hand side of the form builder, you'll see that we have an image element. So all you need to do is select that image. You'll see that we now have the image element in the form itself. To configure that, you just click on it, and on the right-hand side, you'll see your options. We can browse for the image that we want to add into the form. So I want this image here. Once you've selected it, we can upload it. And down below, you'll see some other options for configuring that image. So here I want my sizing to be automatically determined, and my width will be 250 pixels. And then I'll hit apply, and we'll see that now I have an image in my form. Now, adding an image in the form means that I can use this image in all different designs of my form. And I'll show you here in a second how to add an image to a design, and that image is then only in that design. So you'll see if I click Save Form here, I now have my Indition logo, the image I selected, in the designs of this form automatically. But I can also create a new design. And in here, you'll see, just like any other element in my form, I can add the image that I already selected in the form to be in my design. But I also have the option to add an additional design element, which means this element only resides on this design. An image is one of our options here. So I can drag in an image, and you'll see it's very similar into the form builder, that once I have my image added, I can browse, choose the image I want to add, I'll upload it, and you'll see that my image is then in my design, and then I have some configuration options. So like I did in the form builder, I'll change my width to 250, and then it'll scale proportionally to make sure that the image has the right dimensions. And now I have this image in my design. So this image now only exists on this design and not all other designs, but this image from the form is available in all of my designs. So I can add a name element in here. And I'll just show you a final form with the image. So now I have my image. This is an example element. You can have other elements, and then my submit button. And I can hit preview. And we'll see that I now have my form with my selected image, which is the Indition logo. And that is how we add images into forms in Indition Forms.